Hello, Namaste, Salam, Sashriyakal. I'm your Zameer from Techinformer and today I have come back with a brand new video. This video is about porting custom recovery for your smartphone. As many people have tried to root their smartphone, perhaps they are not able to root their smartphones due to lack of custom recovery. Literally, I'm very excited to make this video. Guys, if you want to root a smartphone without recovery, then I'm dropping this video in the I button. Just click on this I button and do watch the video. You can easily get your Stock Recovery.Img from your firmware or from your stock ROM or from your fastboot ROM. Guys, if you have a rooted smartphone, then you can easily back up your stock recovery. You can back up your stock recovery by using Twrp application. Just click on backup existing recovery and select the directory where you want to save. You can also use Flashify application for backupping your recovery. First of all, download Carlin Image Kitchen from the link in the description. You need two recoveries. One is your stock recovery and second one is a custom recovery. Download a custom recovery which you want to port for your device. Just Google the recovery name with the version which you want to port for your device. Always prefer the latest version for your smartphone. Open Carlin Image Kitchen and paste your stock recovery.img and custom recovery.img into recovery resource folder. Simply open carlif.bat file. Then you have to unpack your stock recovery as well as your custom recovery. Just click on recovery and unpack both custom and stock recovery.img. After that, just rename your stock recovery image folder as stock. Now you need to copy these three files and you have to replace it in a port folder. Just open two windows simultaneously and copy these three files from RAM disk folder and paste it in a port folder. Now again, you need to replace these two files from stock to port. If you found this file missing, then do not worry about that. Now replace ftab from stock to port. Now just open RAM disk in which go to etc folder. Copy this recovery ftab folder and replace it into port. Now finally you have to replace kernel. Just copy this recovery image kernel and paste it in a port folder. Open RAM disk in etc folder. Open recovery.ftab in a notepad. You need to copy this custom mount points of system cache and data and replace it in a custom recovery ftab file. Guys, this is my system mount point of my stock recovery. I'm just copying it and pasting into a custom recovery ftab file. You need to follow the same thing with cache and data. Just copy this mount point of cache and paste it into a custom recovery ftab file and perform the same thing with data too. Just repack the ported recovery. Now you have successfully ported a custom recovery for your smartphone. Get your ported recovery from your output folder. Flash it and enjoy your custom recovery. Guys, if you ended up watching this video, then a subs to my channel will be massively appreciated. That's it for today. Love you all. Take care. This is Zameer signing off. Catch you in my next video.